Hi guys, it's Ray. Long time no see. I do have a little bit of an explanation video that I haven't gotten up yet, and I kind of need to do another one, but for now we're going to do this Butterfly Lane Design subscription box. Looked like it had a little bit of a journey getting here, but the product should be okay inside. So this would be the February 2025 sub box. Sub boxes are open to order right now. As always, if you order a sub box, order it separately because they don't ship till towards the end of the month, the 25th, unless it's a weekend. So you want to place them separately. All right. See if I can get everything out. This is a cute sheet. This is a 20-ounce wrap, I believe. Self-care. Oh, I love this. Books and mushrooms and butterflies. This is a UV DTF wrap. Could go on like a Libby as is, or you could cut it apart and use it as individual elements. And let's look at our vinyls. This is beautiful neon florals. I always love the blacks and the teals. Oh, yes, dragonflies. Absolutely love this one. And more books and butterflies. Oh, and it's got little fairies in it. Can you see them? Very cute. Just a purple. Unfortunately, the post office did crunch the corners of every single one. More books and florals and butterflies. Love it. A girl silhouette on florals. And another pastel-y kind of floral. So, and this one is a clear. And so is this one. These are all beautiful. I'll try and get them all in the frame. There we go. And let's have a peek at the decals. Sunshine on my mind. Oh, I wish it was summer and sunshine. You have no idea. This one just says reading. Shh. Love it. She overcame everything that was meant to destroy her. Read all night. And where there is a woman, there is magic. So that is everything from this subscription box. Hopefully I will find some time to get to some of this. Thank you, Jessica, for sending this to me. Hopefully we will be getting back on track and back on schedule at some point this month. But that is everything. I absolutely love this one. And again, sub boxes are open for a little bit longer yet. So if you want one, definitely get on there and order for the next one. And that is it. I will see you soon.